Hi, Wayne here from Sears PartsDirect. Today I'm going to show you a few easy steps to clean and maintain the stainless steel surfaces on your appliances. Stainless steel appliances are popular because they help create a bright look in your kitchen when you keep the surfaces clean. This can be challenging because real stainless steel easily collects smudges and fingerprints. Faux stainless steel resists fingerprints but isn't impervious to spills and smudges. We have some simple tips to help you keep your stainless appliances looking great. By following these tips, you can spend less time cleaning and more time using the appliances. Before you begin, gather these cleaning supplies: non-abrasive cleaning cloths, mild dishwashing liquid or a mild detergent without bleach. Bleach can harm stainless steel surfaces. A bucket, stainless steel cleaner. Start by washing your stainless appliances thoroughly with a mild detergent and water. Squirt a little dishwashing liquid into about a gallon of warm water. Wet a non-abrasive cloth and wipe the stainless steel surfaces starting at the top of the appliance down. True stainless and some faux stainless surfaces have a horizontal grain in the metal. Always wipe with the grain so you don't push residue and grime deeper into it. This often means wiping back and forth as you work your way from top to bottom. Next, rinse the soapy solution off the stainless surfaces. Wet a non-abrasive cloth with plain water and again, wipe with the grain from top to bottom. Finally, dry the stainless surfaces with a dry, non-abrasive cloth. Cleaning stainless steel surfaces with soapy water typically won't remove all smudges and marks. To restore the stainless steel to its original luster, clean and polish it with stainless cleaner. Many new stainless appliances, like this refrigerator, come with a stainless steel cleaner sample. You can order more from our Sears PartsDirect website. If your appliance has a faux stainless surface, check the owner's manual for cleaning instructions. Stainless steel cleaner can harm some faux stainless surfaces. Before you start, test the stainless steel cleaner on an inconspicuous area to see if it harms the surface's finish before using it on the entire appliance. If that yields good results, apply a small amount of the cleaner to a non-abrasive cloth and wipe the cleaner across the surfaces, working with the grain. Then, polish with a dry, non-abrasive cloth, removing any dirt, smudges, fingerprints, and cleaner residue. Okay, here's the easy part we promised: keeping the stainless steel clean using stainless cleaner. Continue to use the stainless steel cleaner every few days or as needed to wipe off smudges, spills, and fingerprints. As long as you do this regularly, you'll likely only need to clean it with soapy water about once a year. And guess what less time cleaning means? You got it, more time to chill. We hope this video helped you out today. Check out our other videos here on the Sears PartsDirect YouTube channel. Subscribe and we'll let you know when we post new videos.